rare waterfront experience awaits you at this nearly 1,600 square foot three-level home along the edge of the mighty Fraser. An incredible partially covered sun deck gives way to an expansive southeast view from the sunrise to the working river and down to the 2.5-kilometer boardwalk below. Tile floors meet you at the foyer, leading to side-by-side bedrooms with new carpets and glass sliding doors out to a second covered sun deck and full main bathroom. Upstairs, wood floors run through the dining room with an electric fireplace and soaring ceilings. The kitchen has maple cabinets that wrap around stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, plus a walk-in pantry and storage closet. A two-piece bathroom sits down the hall. The top floor, open loft, with a built-in desk and storage, looks down over the living room and has exterior stairs down directly to the riverfront deck. The river market is only a 5-minute stroll down the boardwalk and a few minutes more to SkyTrain, amazing restaurants, theaters, fitness centers, and the Peir Park. 2 dogs or cats are welcome.